They're allowed tests. They're allowed by law. You can go to trial and they can still be introduced. There's studies that say that they're valid. The officer's the judge of whether you did well on these or not. It's not like that you can actually pass them. Even if
they don't bring a panel in.
Yeah, even if you're sober, you can fail these tests. They're just multitasking tests. The theory is that while you're driving, you have to have your hands on the wheel, you have to be able to visually see, turn your head, and you have to have your feet on the pedals. So you're basically doing 3 things at the same time. That's the theory of some of these tests, is that while you are walking a straight line, heel to toe, with your hands by your side, looking down, then doing it, is that if you can do that, you can drive. But again, people just might be bad at balancing and have bad coordination. Like, it means that they're not a bad driver or anything like that. It means that alcohol, the marijuana had nothing to do with how they did on the test.
I don't think my mom's had any of those 2 things in her life, and she can't drive.
Yeah, like when you go and get your license, they should make you do a field sobriety test first and be like, how did you do on that? And be like, all right, officer, this is their standard. If they do worse than this, then they must be under the influence.
I totally agree. That's hilarious. Because, they don't have to do any of those things. They are not mandatory. There's no gun to their head.
Now, the police can say it's required by law, and by law it is required, but nobody can force you to actually do the field sobriety test.